Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any, and I just keep it as simple, short, and again as random as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have Tezos or XTZ with the USDT or Tether token, basically XTZ USDT chart, and we just go straight into this. So as you can see right now, Tezos is pretty down today. We are down 37 cents, or the price is sitting around $3.5, so we are down nearly 10 cents. This is how the price is moving. Is moving in my favor, but this was just a blind prediction. I think that we will be having some zigzag motion right here, so we could have built enough pressure before we push to the upside and start going to the upside, right? So this will be another great opportunity to buy for you guys, but I'm not here to tell you where to buy, where to get out, or something like that. That is always up to you. I'm just giving you my opinions and my predictions, because I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna put pressure on you, and I don't want you to have the FOMO effect. So yeah, like this will be basically it. I don't want to keep things long and frustrating or something like that. I just want to keep things simple. I have that line right here. I remember that I drew that I think that we could have closed yesterday on that, well, but it did not happen. You can see the daily thing right here. We closed. We had a bullish candle, but my prediction was that we were gonna have a bearish candle. But unfortunately, today is a big bearish candle for around 10%. But yeah, well, guys, this is basically it. I think that tomorrow we'll be having a bearish candle too, or kind of a small bullish candle, because it can fill up the gaps, and so on and so on. Yeah, this is basically it. Let me know what are your thoughts, and I will be seeing you guys soon. And if you want to earn some free stuff, go into the links in the description. And if you want to support my channel, I would highly appreciate it if you just like the video. Peace out, guys, and I will see you in the next video.